Hi, my name is Melissa Dinas. I'm the owner of Apple Nests, and we're a real estate investment firm based in South Metro Atlanta, Georgia. This short video will give you a basic overview of what you can expect when investing with us. We look forward to helping you increase your wealth through passive investing in real estate. But for now, let's get into it. Here's what you can expect. Your cash will be used to buy a carefully selected property that's purchased at a discount that requires some renovation. There's an operating agreement in place that guarantees you'll be paid back your investment plus interest at the refinance stage of the project. So what this means is you'll make money on every deal. I run the renovation project, and that's always completed by fully vetted, licensed, and bonded contractors. And the renovation forces appreciation, meaning the overall value of the property is increased. This is also referred to as the ARV, or the after repair value. Once the reno is complete, a highly qualified tenant is placed, and at this point, the property is considered stabilized and ready for refinancing at its new ARV. A new mortgage is taken out against the higher value, and you're cashed out. This strategy is known as the BRRRR method, the buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat strategy. So let's break down each step. First, we're at the buy stage. We're always going to buy properties at a discount. We're able to do so because there's value add opportunity, meaning the properties need repair. And because they're in disrepair, the sellers are more negotiable. Other things we look for that make sellers more negotiable are foreclosures or liens on the property. And of course, we'll always want to be in an area where quality renters are looking for quality homes, so it'll be very easy to stabilize once the reno is complete. Next is the rehab. Before we even purchase a deal, we'll get bids from multiple contractors. This not only ensures that we're getting the best value for the work needed, but it also assures that the spread between the purchase price and refinance is large enough to cover all expenses, most importantly, your repayment. Our team is ready to go as soon as we have the keys, and we always use high-quality finishes commensurate to the neighborhood. These measures secure an excellent ARV, which clinches an excellent refinance, protecting your investment. The next step is rent. I've already mentioned that we always use high-quality finishes. Combining that with charging market rent, meaning not trying to charge over and above what the going rent rate is for the area, guarantees that we'll be able to place a tenant quickly. We'll advertise the property anywhere real estate is listed, online and offline, and tenants are very carefully screened. Anyone 18 and over must submit a complete application so we can run thorough checks. These are all critical details that lenders look for to decide whether or not to refinance a property. And by stabilizing our properties using the criteria that the lenders require, we secure the best possible loan as soon as is physically possible, which then allows us to repay you your investment. Now is when we refi. I've referenced refinance a couple of times, and it's at this stage it occurs. This is where you make your money. We follow a very strict formula from the very beginning of the process. From purchasing properties to calculating expenses and rental costs, being ultra conservative in our projections allows us to be confident that we will achieve the profit margin we aim for. We have several lenders that have already pre-approved us, which means we can refinance as soon as the property is stabilized. We'll do a cash out refi, which is a new mortgage taken out on the higher ARV. The difference between the two loans is the cash profit made, which is where you'll be paid from. And finally, the last step, repeat. Because we don't get paid until you get paid, our focus is solely on ensuring a large margin of profit. Then, once you're cashed out, you can reinvest in our next project. So, why should you invest in real estate? After all, there are different investment vehicles you can place your money in. However, they're much riskier than real estate. The stock market can be volatile and highly unpredictable. Also, you have zero control over the value of your investments as opposed to real estate, where you have that control through forcing appreciation. Cryptocurrency is also very volatile, and because it's still so new, its future is even more unpredictable. Many investors have lost their money from investing in currency that have busted. However, the value of real estate has always gone up. Another thing you can do is park your money in a bank account, but banks are offering interest rates that are less than the current inflation rate. Inflation eats up the value of every dollar you park there, which means those same dollars can buy you less tomorrow than they can today. Imagine what that dollar will be worth 12, 18, or even 24 months from now. The fact is, there are multiple ways an investor can make money through real estate. One way is by becoming the bank and lending your cash with interest. When you invest with us, you become the bank. So, what this all boils down to is this: we eliminate your risk in several ways. By tying our success to yours, we only make money when you do. A formal operating agreement guarantees that your investment will only be used for the agreed upon purpose and that you will be paid back first. Our strict formula and conservative projections all but guarantee we hit our profit goal, and using the BRRRR method gets you to the cash out stage more quickly than with other more traditional strategies. We truly hope this has sparked an interest in real estate investing with us. You can contact us with questions by emailing freedom@applenests.com or calling or texting 470-729-3991. You can also find us at applenests.com. Let us help you increase your wealth.